Hello students, in this particular session I'd like to discuss about a differentiability of a function. Okay, means like in the continuity when LHL equal to RHL and at that point is equal to that limiting point, then only we are going to say it as a continuous. In the similar manner, in this particular video, when the given function is differentiable, that is nothing but a differentiability of a function. Okay, when the given function is differentiable, yes, differentiable function is means function is differentiable when L of f dash of x is same as R of f dash of x. We already discussed about this one. Okay, yes. Then how to understand this one? What is L of f dash of x, or we can say it as a L of f dash of a also. Okay, this x point will be particularly given. How to define L of f dash of x? It is very simple. It is limit of f of x minus f of x minus h divided by h as h tending to 0. This is nothing but a L of f dash of x. Got it? The point clearly? Okay. Then what is R of f dash of x? R of f dash of x will be, there is a slight change in the right part, that is nothing but a limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h as h tending to 0. Getting my point clearly? Sometimes we can define it for the a also. Whenever left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative, the given function is differentiable. Now consider one example, that is prove that f of x is equal to x minus 1 where x belongs to R is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Means I need to check the differentiability at x equal to 1. Okay, how I have to check the part? First of all, we need to define this function. How I have to define this function? F of x is equal to, that is modulus of x minus 1. How the modulus of x minus 1 is defined? Concentrate on the board. X minus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to 1 is a deciding factor here. X less than or equal to 1 or x less than 1 function, x greater than or equal to 1, this is another function. How I have to define? See, whenever if x less than 1, substitute the value less than 1 value, take the value 0, 0 minus 1 it will be negative, that's why minus x minus 1 I have to define. Got it? Then if x is greater than 1, 2 minus 1 will be 1, that is positive, x minus 1 I can substitute here. Getting my point clearly? Okay. Now I need to check the differentiability at x is equal to 1. First of all, I'd like to define here the left hand derivative L of f dash of 1 here. Okay. Instead of x, I need to write there 1. Okay. Concentrate. Limit of f of 1 minus f of 1 minus h divided by h as h tending to 0. Got the point clearly? Now, how I have to define? I need to define f of 1 and f of 1 minus h. I'll define here. First of all, how to define these values? Here only I'll define f of 1 value I need, f of 1 minus h value we need, and for the right hand derivative, I need f of 1 plus h. Okay, now I'll prepare. What is f of 1? F of 1 means equal to 1. I need to follow the second one. Equal to condition is there. F of x is x minus 1. F of x is x minus 1. F of 1 is in the place of x. 1 is there. It will be x minus 1 will be 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? Its value will be 0. Got the point? Then after this one, 1 minus h. What is 1 minus h? 1 minus, in 1 I need to subtract something. If I am going to subtract something, it will be less than 1. Less than 1 means I need to select this first function. F of x is minus x minus 1. This particular x is replaced by 1 minus h. X is replaced by 1 minus h. Observe this step. Minus is there. I wrote the minus. Wherever x is there, I am leaving the space. After that, I wrote minus 1. Okay. Here, this x is replaced by 1 minus h, means this x must be, here I am writing minus as it is in the place of h. I need to write, yes, I need to write here, that is in the place of x, 1 minus h. Getting my point clearly? Here plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, minus of minus, it will be plus h. Okay. Then after this one, f of 1 plus h. What is the meaning of 1 plus h? More than 1 it is. More than 1 means I need to observe this function. F of x is x minus 1. F of 1 plus h is, yes, I need to I'll put a x value as a blank. Minus 1 I wrote. This x is replaced by 1 plus h. That's why I'm writing 1 plus h. Getting my point clearly? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. I got the h value. Is it clear? Is it okay? Then I'd like to write here limit as h tending to 0. What is f of 1? Can you say? F of 1 value is 0. I have to write minus f of 1 minus h. 1 minus h is h divided by what is the value? H. Okay. Now I'd like to write the value as a, what is here, h will be cancelled. What is remained? Minus 1 is remained. Limit applied to minus 1. I got the minus 1 only. Okay. Left hand derivative value is minus 1. In the similar manner, I need to solve right hand derivative r of f dash of 1. How I have to solve r of f dash of 1? Concentrate on the board. It will be limit of f of, in place of x I need to write 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h as h tending to 0. Okay now, limit of h tending to 0. What is 1 plus h? Can you say? 1 plus h. What is f of 1 plus h? It is value is h. What is f of 1? F of 1 value is 0 divided by h. What is h by h? Its value will be 1. Concentrate. Left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative because it is minus 1, that is plus 1. That's why I write L of f dash of 1 is not equal to r of f dash of 1. That's why the given function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. It's a next question. F of x equal to greatest integer function x is not differentiable at x equal to 1. That we need to prove here. Okay now at what point I need to define here? First at x is equal to 1. Okay, now I'd like to take L of f dash of 1 now. What is the definition? Wherever in the place of formula x I need to replace value 1. H tending to 0, it will be f of 1 minus f of 1 minus h divided by h. Got it? Limit as h tending to 0. What is f of 1? Greatest integer function 1. What is 1 minus h? Greatest integer function 1 minus h divided by h. Got it? Then it will be limit as h tending to 0. It will be 1. What is 1 minus h? Yes, its value will be 0 divided by h. How it will be 0? Concentrate on the board. See, this is a value, particularly 1. It is a value 0. 1 minus h means? 1 minus h means it is a left point of 1. What is the greatest integer function for this particular point? Either it is a greatest integer means what? Either less than or equal to. Less than integer is 0. Whether 1 minus h is an integer? No. Its left integer is 0. That's why we write 0 here. Okay. Substitute the value h is equal to 0. 1 by 0 will be indeterminate. Getting my point clearly? Okay. Then in the similar manner, I'd like to solve the r of f dash of 1. How I had to write r of f dash of 1? Limit of f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h as h tending to 0. Okay. Then it will be limit as h tending to 0. What is f of 1 plus h? Can you say? F of 1 plus h is greatest integer function 1 plus h minus greatest integer function of 1 divided by h. Okay now, limit as h tending to 0. What is 1 plus h? Concentrate. It is 1. 1 plus h will be right part of 1. Right part of 1 means what is the greatest integer function? Means less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means 1 is the integer. That's why I need to write 1. Greatest integer function for 1 will be 1 divided by h. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. We got 0 in the numerator. Limit as h tending to 0. That is 1 minus 1, 0. 0 by h will be 0. Limit applied to 0. It will be 0 only. That's why L of f dash of 1 is not equal to r of f dash of 1. Okay. That's why given function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Observe the question. Here I'd like to solve at x is equal to 2. Means already in the previous problem we solved at x equal to 1. I'd like to solve at x equal to 2. The given function is not differentiable at 2. Okay, got it? That's why first of all I'd like to write L of f dash of 2. What is L of f dash of 2? Limit of f of 2 minus f of 2 minus h divided by h as h tending to 0. Okay, now limit as h tending to 0. What is f of 2? It is greatest integer function of for 2. What is 2 minus h? 2 minus h will be greatest integer function of 2 minus h divided by h. Now limit as h tending to 0. What is 2? It will be 2. 2 minus h, observe it is 1, it is 2. 2 minus h will be left of the, this is a particular point. What is the 2 minus h is an integer? No. Left of that integer is 1. That's why we wrote here 1 divided by h. Okay, now limit as h tending to 0. 2 minus 1 is 1 by h. H is equal to 0. 1 by 0 will be indeterminate. In the similar way, we need to find r of f dash of 2. Okay, it will be limit of as h tending to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 divided by h. Okay, then what about next? Limit as h tending to 0. What is f of 2 plus h? Greatest integer function 2 plus h minus greatest integer function 2 divided by h. Okay, it will be limit as h tending to 0. What is 2 plus h? Yes, 2 plus h will be 2 only. Why? Because it will be 2 plus means right part of 2. Right part of 2 means what is the left integer? 2. That's why I wrote 2. Greatest integer function 2 divided by h. 2 will be cancel. 0 by h will be 0. Means one left hand derivative is infinity. Right hand derivative at 2 is 0. That's why L of f dash of 2 is not equal to r of f dash of 2. Okay. Right, I think you enjoyed the lecture. Good day.